Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your verification number in Snapchat. If you have got a new phone number or want to update your account security, this tutorial is for you. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now tap on Bitmoji or profile icon on your top left corner. This will open your profile. And here you can see a gear icon or setting icon in top right corner. Tap on it. This will open your settings menu. And here on your fourth option, you can see mobile number option. There you can see your current number. Tap on it. Here you can see your old number. Delete the old number and enter a new one. Double check to ensure that you have entered it correctly. Once done, tap on verify. Snapchat will send a verification code to your new number via SMS. Open your messages and copy the message. And that's it. You have successfully changed your verification number in Snapchat. Keeping your information up to date ensures your account remains secure. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.